Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the product from Belkin. This is the BoostCharge hybrid wall charger, 25 watts plus power bank, 5000 milliamp. So yeah, let's have a look what's inside. So you have a user manual. They give you also a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging, and you have all the adapters that you could ever think of. So everything eco, no plastic in here, nice to see. So that's the adapter itself. And let's see what else is in here. Proper unboxing experience in here. So that's the, I think it's Australian plug. Here we have the European plug, and this is the American USA plug. And the UK plug, I think, is in here. So yeah guys, that's all you get. This is how you unlock. So you put the adapter in and it's not going anywhere, it's stable. Then when you want to unlock it, you just press down on this and then you unlock it. Boom. You put your next adapter. Depends on where you're traveling. And then the good thing about it is it's also a power bank. As you can see, it has 4 LED indicating that the battery is fully charged, and then there's in and out USB-C and USB-A. So what will happen, you could use the included, oh wow, this is also ecological. And the wire, the cable they gave us, it's probably almost, or maybe it's a meter long. Yeah, really good quality cable. So if you want to use the power bank, you could do that, and it's quite nice because now even on the chargers of the smartwatches you have USB-C, so you can just plug in your smartwatch in there. Let's just grab a phone and see how it's charging. Boom. And it's indicating that it's charging the battery. So now if you want to use the battery, you just press on this. Actually, this is just to, I'm actually curious, how is it if I plug it in, will it still use the power bank? Oh no, I think this actually shuts this down. So this is still charging. If I press on this, still charging. So no, that's just indicating the battery. So now let's just put like a UK plug on it. That's still charging. And let's plug it in. So I have so let's see, yes, it's still charging. So we'll plug that in there. This one, oh, it stopped charging a bit. Now it's charging again. And not really sure. Probably is going to use the power bank still. It's now showing. Okay, so now the power bank, it shows that it's charging. You probably won't be able to see that well, but you can see that flickering, which means it's charging the power bank. So the phone now is charging off the electricity. You would probably say somewhere in here, but I'm pretty sure it is like that. It would make sense. So yeah, guys, there you have it. A really useful travel adapter. You can have a mini power bank, which will give your phone maybe a full charge or close to a full charge. And then when you get to a plug, you can charge this, you can charge the power bank on this, and also your devices. You can charge up to 2 devices. So yeah, let's just unplug it because it's still charged. And now you can see this disconnects, and you will carry on charging now off the power bank, as you can see, without doing anything. With this you can just see the status of the power bank, and it's as big as my palm, like that. It is a bit bigger than an adapter, but I feel like it's quite useful to have that. So yeah, thanks for watching.